Hi, I'm Dan Galpin, and I'm excited to share that Android 17 has officially arrived. The source code is live on the Android open source project, and the update is rolling out to supported Pixel devices starting today. We're sharing 5 updates you need to know to get your apps ready. Let's jump in. First up, the intelligence system. Android is evolving from an operating system to an intelligence system. Your app can contribute capabilities for Android MCP using app functions that can be discovered and executed by AI agents and assistants like Gemini. And we have a new agent skill to help you do it. The Gemini integration is currently in a private preview with trusted testers, but you can join our integration early access program for a chance to be among the first apps to deploy app functions to production. Secondly, we are in an adaptive first era. For devices with a screen width over 600 dp, like the over 580 million large screen devices currently in use, Android 17 removes the opt-out for orientation and resizability, making adaptive design a must. When you update your target SDK version, be sure to test your app's UI on large screen devices. We've even launched an adaptive agent skill to help. Next up, performance. Android 17 introduces stricter app memory limits to prevent a single memory hogging app from disrupting system multitasking and degrading performance for everyone else. Reduce your memory footprint by tuning R8 with the new R8 configuration analyzer and by using Leap Canary integrated into Android Studio Panda. As always, trim your memory usage in on-trim memory. You can capture heap dumps when your app is terminated with Android 17's new on-device anomaly detection and profiling manager. And there's lots more to performance in Android 17, including a brand new lock-free message queue and faster, more frequent young generation garbage collections in art. For our 4th update, Android 17 continues to champion user privacy by moving away from broad permissions towards session-based access, including new privacy-preserving pickers for contacts and eyedropper, portrait thumbnails to make the photo picker more versatile, and a new system-rendered location button. Also, your app can even comply with the new Access Local Network permission using a picker. Other security highlights in Android 17 include the enforcement of read-only dynamic native code loading, expanded SMS OTP protections, and support for post-quantum cryptography. Our 5th and final Android 17 update is about supporting creators and consumers with pro-quality cameras and media. Android 17 includes support for Eclipse Video, a new HDR standard that helps devices adapt content perfectly to their display headroom, the RAW 14 image format for pro camera captures, vendor-defined camera extensions, an extended HEAAC software encoder, and more. We've only scratched the surface of what's landed in this release. Be sure to read our full, detailed Android 17 announcement blog post and get started with the new SDK today. Stay safe, keep building, and I'll see you in the next update.